Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. We've got two Khan Academies to run through here. Neither of them are that difficult. Actually, good news for you. I actually had my fourth grade son help me do this, and he got both answers correct as well. So this will not be that difficult. First one, adding negative numbers on the number line. So our first question is, which of these three graphs represents -2 plus -7? So we're looking first for an arrow that goes -2, and the first one is always the one closest to the block line. So does this one represent -2? Does this one represent -2? Or does this one represent -2? Well, -2, negative means go to the left. So this one goes to the left, but not the correct number. This one goes to the left 2 spots, so that's good. This one goes to the right 2 spots. So automatically we know which one it's going to be. We know it's going to be letter B, but let's verify it. Then we add a -7. -7 means go to the left 7 more units. So the second number is always this one up here, the top, the furthest away. So this one only goes -4. That doesn't work. This one, which we know is going to be right, goes -7. This one also went -7. But this one had both of them correct. So when we went -2 and then we went -7 more, we ended up at -9 for our answer. Moving on. Our next one right here. Which of these three represented -2.5 plus -5? So again, -2.5. Negatives, when we're going up and down, negatives mean go down. Positives mean go up. So which one is going down 2.5? Well, this one is going down 2.5, and that's the closest to it. This one is going down 2.5. This one is going up 2.5. So this one can't be our answer right here. Letter C is gone. Then it had to go down 5 more. So plus -5 means down 5 more. This one went up 5, so that can't be correct. This one went down 5. So you'll notice this one also went down 5 as well, but we'd already eliminated this one. So letter B went down the 2.5, then went down 5.5 more, and ended up at -7.5, which is what our answer for that one would have been. There we go. All right. Your second Khan Academy today is number equations and number lines. Okay. So write an addition or subtraction equation, your choice, to describe the diagram right here. So how far is this one? Let's see, it went 1, 2, 3, 4 units. And did it go in the positive direction or the negative direction? Yeah, it went in the negative direction. So we have -4. Then we went in the negative direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first we went -4, then we went -9. Now, they said we could write this as an addition equation. So I did that first. So you see, I went -4, then I added -9 more, and that totaled a total of -13. So -4 plus -9 is -13, and that's how you would write that. Or they said you could write this as a subtraction problem. And you could. Basically, I don't like the term minus or subtraction. I like to use the terms positive and negative. So as I rewrote this one, so this is the exact same equation as this one is, only listen to how I read this. -4, -9 equals -13. Notice I never said minus in there. I don't, when we start introducing minus or subtraction, it confuses people often when it comes to negative numbers. So I just refer to it as -4 and -9 equals -13. By not adding that word subtraction, it kind of insinuates that you add them together. So -4 and -9 is -13. All right, let's do another one here. Okay, we've got this one right here. It says fill in the blanks. Here's our graph. We started at 0, and we went 1, 2, 3, 4 in the positive direction. And you can already tell, they already gave us that part. It went 4 in the positive direction right here. Then we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the negative direction. So how would you represent what should go right here in the next box? 4 plus what direction? Negative 6. Yep. So 4 plus negative 6. And where did we end up on the number line? At negative 1, 2, right? So that's our final answer, negative 2. And that's how you do number equations and number lines. So you got two cons. They're not that difficult. I think you guys can get through these pretty quickly. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.